Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about how to open a Questrade account online. Opening an online investment account with Questrade is a straightforward process. You will need a few key pieces of information and a government-issued photo ID. To get started, go to the Questrade website and click on the Open an Account button. You'll be asked to provide some basic personal information, including your full legal name as it appears on your government ID, email address, and phone number. You'll also create a username and password for your account. Next, you'll fill out your profile with details like your residential address, date of birth, and marital status. You'll also be asked about your employment and financial situation, including your annual income and approximate assets. This information is required for regulatory purposes. You will also be asked to provide your social insurance number. After completing your profile, you will select the type of account you want to open. This could be a self-directed investing account where you manage your own trades, or a Quest Wealth Portfolios account where your investments are managed for you. You'll then review and e-sign the necessary agreements and disclosures. This is all done online through a secure interface. Finally, you will upload a copy of your government-issued photo ID. Questrade may also ask for a selfie to match your face with the picture on your ID. After submitting your documents, you will be able to fund your account with a minimum of $250. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.